Websites are still the dominant way to visit information on the internet. The standard devices to visit websites are based on the desktop environment, limiting the website's information to two-dimensional space. The VIA environment is free from the concept of a desktop, and users will visit information in three-dimensional space. This two-dimensional to three-dimensional transformation means the website's layout, media content, and interaction modes can be more immersive. It is a challenge for website design. We propose a VIA website design framework based on a fan-shaped layout that aims to improve the experience of browsing websites in VIA. Based on the principle of field of view limitation in VIA, the framework principles proposed in this study are as follows. First, the system distinguishes between interactive and content areas. The interactive area is set at closed distances, and the content area is presented in the middle and far distances. Second, using the spatial depth Q, we adopt a fan-shaped layout to distinguish different information hierarchies in the VIA website. Third, in the fan-shaped layout, information is presented in different depths from far to near, and child categories are always closer to the user location than the parent categories. We categorize the multimedia content on the website into 5 categories: graphics and text, flat video, panoramic image or video, 3D model, and virtual scene. The multimedia content usually presents in the tertiary menu, and graphics and text content are sometimes in the secondary menu. A panel usually supports graphics and text content. Based on this design framework, we built a prototype of the VIA version of the website in the context of the online museum website of intangible cultural heritage in Yunnan province. When entering the system, the user is in the home position of the website, and 3 categories of the primary menu are displayed directly in front. The user can press the left and right arrow buttons in the interactive area to switch the selected category horizontally. Press the confirm button, and the primary menu will be shrunk, and the secondary menu will be expanded to a location closer to the user. When the video is playing, the buttons in the interactive area change to video-related functions. Left and right are the graphics and text content. Ray casting interaction was added in situations requiring accurate selection. At the same time, users can have an immersive roaming experience inside the virtual scene. When selecting the panoramic media, all 3D widgets will switch to unviewable, and all surrounding scenes will be replaced with panoramic media, while the function of the buttons in the interactive area will change.